Best of Jacksonville, and today we're here with Derek Payne from Green Building Design. Now, Derek, tell me a little bit about Green Building Design. What kind of company are you?
We are primarily architects and engineers. In a traditional sense, we're a full-service firm. We offer design, construction. We also offer contract law. My partner, Don Boggs, has a degree in law. He has a degree in architectural and structural engineering. He also has an MBA. So we're well equipped.
Pretty smart.
I have a degree in architecture and a degree in construction management and roughly 28 years of experience. Don has roughly the same level of experience. And right across the board from small projects to big projects. So we're pretty good at taking on a project of any size. Okay.
Now, what makes it green? I guess a lot of people talk about green as kind of a trendy term now, but what is green exactly for those of us that don't really know?
Green is an acronym for reducing your carbon footprint.
Okay.
In reality, what you're trying to do is reduce how much energy you consume. The United States consumes about 25% of all the world's energy, with about an eighth of the population. So we're pretty wasteful.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Now, when you say green building design, how do you incorporate the green into your design?
That covers many aspects, from solar products, which reduce your electricity consumption, passive solar products which actually create their own, I would say, supplies on hand, i.e. the water, the solar hot water heater, and also using finishes and materials that are reconstituted or recycled and supplied by sources that use renewable, say wood products, for example, trees that are regrown to produce steel wood studs, trusses, and that sort of thing. So,
okay, so that's reducing the carbon imprint then for us. Now, is there any kind of health benefits to going green?
Going to the finishes inside of your house, actually from the insulation in. Your choices, as long as they're made wise, will go a long way to making your environment a lot healthier. And that goes from the drywall right down to the floor finishes and the paint on the wall, which is actually the bulk of the finish inside your house. VOCs being the enemy, and that's the gases that these products produce. The more friendly they are to your health, the healthier the environment inside your house.
Okay, so when I do things, I get kind of a headache when I get done painting. That's probably chemicals?
Most likely it's probably the paint that you're putting on the wall, and it has an off-gassing effect. It can take several weeks to several months to complete that cycle.
Okay, so that's when you walk into a place, you're like, ooh, somebody just painted.
Yeah.
Good job.
You can smell that, yeah.
Exactly. Now with your stuff, and that doesn't happen?
No, we make sure, and this is a discussion we have up front, and as I was mentioning, we don't push it on people, we show them what they can do and let them decide. And we make those decisions clear, and the health benefits and cost benefits up front, so that the choices, there's no surprises in the end.
Okay. Now, would someone come to you because they're beginning to build from scratch, or because they have a home that needs to be remodeled?
Both.
Okay.
Yes, we've had several clients, some from very, very large projects to small additions, and there's no size too small, no size too big.
Okay. So you can do homes and you can do commercial?
We can do commercial as well. We're affiliated with other firms to do, or we're going to affiliate with other firms to do larger projects. Right now we can do up to a certain size and square footage, and we're trying to get into the interiors of firms because there are lots of things we can do to help people with that, to achieve green global awards and that sort of things.
Oh, very cool. So the benefits overall to using green building design is that you have all this experience, all this education, all this know-how, and as far as like from a pricing standpoint, can you get better deals because of your connections?
Yes, we're affiliated with several suppliers, from windows to insulation to solar products. A handful. We don't want to get too broad range because we don't want to be perceived as a product supplier.
Right.
We're trying to integrate these energy efficient products into our work and give people better cost savings, and make it and give them some incentive to use them and become green friendly.
Okay. And are there any tax credits to this?
Lots of tax credits available.
Okay.
Right now up to the 31st of December of this year. No one knows if the government's going to extend it. They've been extended twice so far. So my advice would be to come talk to us, and we'll show you how you can take advantage of it as quickly as possible.
Okay. Well, great. Well, that's a lot of information. I appreciate it, Derek. If you want to get in contact with Derek with Green Building Design, just give us a call, the Best of Jacksonville, 379-9060, and we'll hook you up. And this is Tony for the Best of Jacksonville, and we'll see you next time.